Alright, y'all. So I pretty much yeah, I wanted to just come back, let y'all know what it is though, but what's up. Um I'm currently still on vacation, so I'm still doing my vlog and stuff for that. But I wanted to do like a separate video for that because if you know, I do travel every now and then, and when I travel, I like to sometimes travel with makeup, depending on the occasion. If I'm going out, I like to be beat to the guard sometimes. Sometimes I want to be a little gayer than I am on the other days. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to go over y'all and kind of show y'all how I pack my makeup bag. Just to show y'all everything I bring. So this is the main makeup bag with all my makeup, you know, the full face, full glam, everything. I feel like the most important part when it comes to like when you're packing makeup to travel, you do want to make sure that you want to make sure that the bag is full. It shouldn't be too loose. It needs to be full. Okay, full. And I can show y'all another hack if you don't really have that much makeup. I can show y'all another hack. But this is all just makeup, you know. Then I also like to travel. This is where I keep all my brushes. Now when I travel, like pretty much this bag is padded. And this bag is padded as well. I got this bag off of Amazon. It was actually a set. It comes with two other bags. I don't really use. Well, I don't even know what they add, to be honest. But that's aside the point. But yeah, this is just another bag. This is also padded. So when I travel, I like to bring all the brushes that I know I'm gonna use. I don't know. Found my microphone. Haven't used that for the trip, but yeah. I like to bring kind of like a little mini mason jar so that I can put my brushes in, you know? I don't really bring that many, I decided to bring like all my lip pencils because honestly I know I might do pink tonight, I don't know. But I pretty much, I try to bring a couple eyeshadow brushes and pretty much most of like my complexion brushes and stuff, which I don't really use that much brushes anymore for complexion. But yeah, that got like all my stuff in there. Then plus, put that in there and it doesn't break. I put all this stuff in my luggage, which goes onto the plane. So, baby, if I'm that trustworthy, that I know what I'm doing, okay? But yeah, get you a nice little padded bag like this. This bag is Assay by Dulce Lash Artistry. I got this when I was in cosmetology school, but I use this bag because it's padded. She thick, shawty thick, okay. And then also, these were made for travel anyway, so you don't really have to do no more. I brought my, travel lash book or whatever. You gotta keep a good lash on you. So that's get you one of these books. You can get them off of Amazon. I bought it so long ago, I forgot. But I'm pretty sure you can find one for less than like $15. So yeah, if not, then you can just. I know you can buy these. These are the Infunzi Professional Makeup Lashes. You can buy these. These are like less than like $10 if I'm not mistaken. And they also have different styles. So that's something you can be looking into, okay? But let's go ahead and let's dip into the bag, That's what you're here for, okay? So I'm going to actually kind of lower this camera just a little bit. And we're going to now raise you up. How you doing? I need you to see me, okay? See what I'm doing. Feel it in your spirituality, okay? So let's go ahead and dip into this bag, y'all, okay? Okay. So first off, with this bag, it does have like a compartment at the top. Let me kind of change this at a different angle so y'all can see what I'm doing, okay? I know I'm so unprofessional right now, y'all, but y'all, don't do me. Oh yeah, drinking the video. I'm slacking. Yeah, so I got some this is yellowtail. This is some Merlot. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. When I travel every now and then I like to get a bottle. If you know, you know. If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. I always keep one of these in my travel bags, baby, because you never know when you need to pop open a bottle of wine, okay? Okay. So yes. I literally always keep one in my travel bag, Because you just never know when you might be drinking a bottle of wine in your hotel. You just never know. You really don't. So let's go ahead and now. It just bit me. Oh my god. It's probably upset because it's been in the bag all day. You ain't have to bite me, bitch. It's fine. It's fine. It's cool. It's whatever. But yeah, always, if you a wino, then you know, You know, I always keep one of these. This is actually the one that I keep in my luggage. Like, it does not leave my luggage at all. Even when I go back home, this stays up in there. Because, God forbid, I'm not going to buy no more. So I always keep a travel one. You can also get like ones that are more travel safety. Please do not put these in your carry-on luggages, okay? Please do not put these in your carry-on luggages because they will confiscate them, okay? I know because I've done that by accident before. I had to buy a new one. So please, this is only for your, this is for the under. You put this in your luggage that goes under the plane. This is not for carry-ons. You may go to jail. You may go to jail, bitch. Don't do that, okay? So, yeah. But let's get back into why y'all actually here. Y'all here for the luggage, right? That's what y'all here for. Y'all are here to learn some trade secrets on, how to do the do. So let me go ahead and let me put the cork back on here. I'm gonna be sipping on this all day. I'm waiting on my friend to get off of work, and then I'm gonna go over to her house and I'm gonna get glammed up. I just wanted to just do this part. I feel like this is necessary for people that also, mostly for women that travel, because I know mostly women when they do travel they bring makeup with them. Unless you that girl. If you that girl, then you that girl. I know y'all probably noticing why I'm in a robe. I always try to bring a robe with me because if you bring a robe, you won't be cold, okay? Because baby, before I turned this air conditioner on, it was 62 degrees in here, cold as hell, cold as hell. It's good to sleep in, but just to sit around, I'm new, no man. But yeah, this is the first compartment. So this one has like the little zip top. Most of them have it, most of them have it. So this one, at the top part is where I keep mostly all of like my liquid products. So like so I have my moisturizer in here, my concealer, my foundation, mascara, lipstick, setting spray, the whole works, okay? I keep all that up in here. All the liquid stuff, primers, all that. And then in the bottom part is where I like keep all my powdered products, your foundations, your blush, your powder concealers, your powder foundations, your highlighters, your eyeshadow palettes, okay? So as far as for that, it is very important that that when you are packing a makeup bag like this, you want to make sure that it's like full. You don't want it to be what's the word? You don't want it to be too empty because when it's empty, it gets to shaking around and you don't want to do all that, okay? So yeah, just to kind of show y'all, because this the bag that goes in my luggage that goes under the plane, and all my shadows are still intact, okay? I'll show y'all, they're still thriving, okay? Still thriving, okay? Ain't nothing broke up in there, okay? And I don't know if other people do this, but me, I don't have like a separate bag that I take. Like, I know most people like to just have like, oh, well, this is only travel mascara stuff. Like, I don't do that. I don't be traveling like that, okay? And when I do travel, I don't always wear makeup, this is only for a special occasion. It's my birthday, okay? That's it. But also, just to go back to that, so even say, for instance, you may not have all of this. You might just have like 1 or 2 products here, which is cool. Just make sure you only keep like your liquid products here, and make sure that they're tightly screwed on. But like, say for instance, you only have like maybe like 2 or 3 products here. You don't really have too much. If you don't have too much products, try to get you a bag like this to put it in. This is also a padded bag. Get you a bag like this if you're not going to bring too much stuff. What I would also recommend is when you get a bag like this, especially with eyeshadow palette, when you're putting when you're putting something like this in your bag, you just want to try to put it in a place where it's not going to move, you know. Sometimes depending on how much makeup I bring, like I think the last vlog I did was New Orleans, check out my New Orleans vlog. That's in my vlog playlist. But yeah, sometimes I might just need to bring one palette because it has all the colors I need. I usually don't bring this much makeup. This is honestly a lot, to be honest, but I'm just extra like that. But yeah, sometimes I'll do this bag and it won't be as full as it now, and I'll just wrap a towel around it so that even if it is get a little shook, if it was to get a little shook around, ain't nothing gonna break because it's in that towel. You know what I'm saying? It's all about placement. Okay, you don't want to put nothing hard on top of it because then that's when stuff break. You don't want to do that. But that's pretty much how I do things. Yeah, I haven't lost the eyeshadow palette yet. I haven't lost I haven't lost anything yet. All of my products are still intact. And this is one of the this is one of the eyeshadows that are almost at the bottom. You see how they're still intact? Ain't broken nothing. Okay. It's all about placement. You have to put it in a certain way. But yeah, I just wanted to do like a quick little video on that, Also, if you guys do have like a makeup bag that you only use for travel, you do want to make sure that you are making sure that those products are not expired, Usually on the back of the products is going to give you a little symbol that's going to tell you how many months it lasts. Now, when it comes to travel makeup, that makeup is constantly getting heated up. It's constantly heating up. It's not staying at a constant temperature. It's either getting, heated up to hot or it's cold. So when that happens, sometimes products can go bad a lot quicker. So you do want to make sure that you're making sure that before you go on a trip and you have like an already makeup bag that you just only use for travel, make sure you're going through those products and making sure that they're not expired. Because baby, you don't want to be going on a trip and then find out that, your mascara got a little piece of mold in it, and now you got to go buy more mascara when you can do all that before you leave. You might have extra. I don't know about y'all. I have a lot of extra products. I have like I have extra. I have a lot of concealer products. A lot of concealers. A lot of foundations, a lot of powder foundations, a lot of setting powders. I have a lot of those products that I can replace. So, that's why I don't do that. Most people do that. It's convenient for them because they probably travel a lot. I don't travel that much. The most I probably travel out of a year is probably like maybe 2 or 3 times, 2 or 3 times. It just depends on the occasion. But yeah, I don't always bring makeup with me. So out of those 2 or 3 times, I'm probably only bringing makeup maybe like twice depending on the occasion, maybe once. But yeah, just make sure that you're just making sure that stuff not expired, even though they say eyeshadow palettes can go bad. To be honest, I call BS because I got some eyeshadow palettes that are like 8 years old, and them things still thinking. They still thinking, okay? They still giving what they need to give, okay? Ain't a piece of mold or nothing, okay? I just feel like it's all about how you handle your products. Make sure you take care. If you take care of your products take care of you. Remember that, okay? Remember that. You take care of your shit, and your shit take care of you, okay? Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much just the whole gist of just, overall it all. Also, I usually like to bring a compact mirrors too. I know you probably noticed I took this out, but I do like to bring like a little small bag like this. So I actually use this bag for dirty brushes. So brushes that I use, I just put it in here so I'm not mixing it with the ones that are already clean. Because, even when I come back from vacation, I do try to clean my brushes. But, if I don't have to clean all my brushes, then I'm not going to do that, If it's a little weight in here, okay, all these brushes in here are dirty. And the other ones, they can go back where they can go, okay? I'm not cleaning no brushes for no reason. I'm just saying. That's just me. That's just me. Call me lazy. I don't care. I'm not doing all that. If you want to do that, then that's your tea. Sip it. I don't sip that tea. I don't buy it. I don't subscribe. I don't want them parts of that. Okay, that's just me though. Do what makes you happy. This is what I put my dirty brushes in, cause they gonna get clean. I think I'm gonna actually clean all my brushes when I come back from vacation. Maybe the next weekend, cause I gotta do my mama hair a week after I come back. So yes, y'all, that's yes, we have quite a bit of stuff to do, right? Right. But anyways, I'm not gonna hold y'all up too much. Thank you guys for like tuning into this video. This video is not going to be a part of the vlog at all. This video is actually going to come out after the vlog. I just wanted to do a video like this for people who also travel with, mostly females that travel with makeup, just to kind of give y'all ways to kind of like help y'all so that y'all not messing up y'all makeup. Because sometimes, you know them people when they be I like when I travel with makeup, I like to bring makeup, I don't have too many travel size stuff. So all this goes in my luggage, which they be manhandling on the back of them planes. So to see that my stuff not broken up, I know what I'm talking about. Right. And if you don't think I know what I'm talking about, I probably don't. But I mean, I just showed you the proof. I'm not gonna play with y'all. Y'all go ahead and go. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe up, yaddy, and share, because sharing is caring. Y'all know that's the only type of caring we like in this household. Why am I talking so fast? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. I'm gonna sip this wine until it's time for me to go get fired. Bye.